malunggay, pandesal.
Bloody delicious.
Concept. Luto na tayo guys. Indomie cheese. Indomie guys. Special. Pito-pito. Yung nakakat na guys. Onions. Gisa-gisa yung garlic paste, garlic, tsaka chicken hotdog. Lagyan natin chicken hotdog. Lagyan natin tubig guys. Water. Guys, pag boil na guys, kumukulo na, lagyan natin yung noodles. Binurog ko guys. Binurog na noodles. Spicy guys. Spicy higuin. Guys, pag malapit na maluto guys, lagyan natin yung seasoning natin, tsaka chili powder guys. Chili powder guys, kaya seasoning. Chili oil guys, soy sauce, tsaka flakes. Lagay na natin guys yung vegetable natin, carrots, tsaka cabbage guys, repolyo. Ito na guys, garnish na natin guys yung indomie natin. Ito na guys. Ito na guys yung kanto natin guys. Garnish na natin. Siomai guys, siomai. Fried siomai guys, chicken siomai. Nuggets guys. Chicken nuggets. Cheese sticks guys. Pugo guys. Egg guys, coated with flour, orange with coloring. Kikiam guys. Tsaka fish balls. Squid balls yun guys, squid balls. So, nice. Guys, lagyan natin guys ng cheese. Pasensya na guys sa plating ko guys, food trip naman. Pangit ang plating ko guys, ng mga garnish ko. Food trip. Food trip. Tikman natin guys. Indomie guys, cheese na. Mga street foods. Guys.
Well, that is delicious. Awesome.
Merienda guys, pati dinner. Siyang